Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Amma ba'd. Today here will be our first group for B class, and then their topic it will be about speaking tests. Yeah. Their topic will be about speaking tests, and then the first group here consists of Dias Galuh Irianto, and then next one can Chaniva Mala. What is it?
Ya, Tasana Iswahyuni.
Okay, Iswahyuni, and then next one Hairunisa, Hanifah Anis, Rafli Rinaldi, and then last one Ardon Saputra. Yeah. Before you're going to explain your guys' topic here, since you guys have extra preparation, yeah, you guys have 2 weeks of preparation, yeah, and then I need you guys to give us an impressive kind of explanation, yeah, and then I'm not gonna ask you guys to repeat your explanation because next week you're going to have your quiz, yeah, your second quiz to get the score next week. For our 7 meeting, it will be the quiz, and then for the 8 meeting, you guys will have the midterm test, yeah. 7 meeting the quiz, and then 8 meeting you will have the midterm test. Okay, and since you guys only 6 students here, yeah, please try to divide. Each of the student will have the same kind of duration in giving the explanation. Yeah, it's mean Dias Galuh, for example, you have 10 minutes, and then also the same with Chaniva, Nisa, Anis, till Ardon Saputra. Yeah. Okay, that's the opening for this session, guys. And then next time is yours. Roughly, come on.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
This moment we'll present a lesson about language testing, about speaking tests. For the first, oh my God.
Okay. Definition. Express and convey through idea and feelings. Speaking is related to the pronunciations of words that aim to convey what will be conveyed by its feeling or idea. Speaking is process of interaction where speakers intend to build meaning through producing, receiving, and processing information. Speaking is skill to use a language appropriately to express someone's idea, opinions, or feeling in order to give or get information and knowledge from other people who do communications. Jadi, so speaking is process of interaction where speakers intend to build meaning through producing, receiving, and processing information. And next. The aim of speaking is to communicate. The aim of speaking, in order to convey the message effectively, the speaker must understand what is going to be conveyed or communicated. The main Turing said speaking has 3 general purposes, 3 There they are to inform and report, entertain and persuade. The aim of speaking is to communicate. Speaking is important to communicate or to deliver mind things about what the speaker will be said with their society. That is why speaking is very important. Basically, there are three important aims of speaking. They have four: one, to inform; two, to be entertained; three, to persuade; four, to discuss. One, to inform. To inform means that speaker want to inform and share idea, informations, process feelings or opinions to the hearer, and give knowledge as well in particular purpose. In the case, the speaker just want to inform about a fact. Just example, like a teacher give a material for students. Yeah, just like that. And to entertain. To entertain means that the speaker wants to make the hearer feel happier with the material which are selected primarily based on their entertainment value. For example, when the teacher told about story to the students, the parents told the fun story to their children. By doing it, speaking will be more interesting to be heard by the listeners. Just like every teacher doing a presentation about their topic, teacher can add jokes at any convenient time if it make the hearer feel happier with the material which are selected primarily based on the entertainment value. The third, to persuade. To persuade means that the speaker tries to convince the hearer to do something in certain activity. From the example, the student can be understand the main side to listen and be active to join the listen. The activities need the actions to make the listeners interested to perform the action in which the speaker wants. Example like Mr. Zaitun listen. Kan? In Mr. Zaitun listen, the first meeting, her give us three topics, just like have storytelling about happy story, happy story, sad story, and holiday. Student can choose what they want. Just like I'm choose a holiday. A holiday story is my it's my daily it's my storytelling, just like that. Nah, 4, to discuss. To discuss, purpose of speaking is to make some decisions on planning. Discussion activity is believed to get more attention from the student because they have to solve a problem from the text which is given by the teacher. From the statement before, it can be concluded that through speaking, somebody can inform their feeling and know somebody feeling from ask him in their communication and make some decisions. Udah.
Okay.
Next.
Okay.
Ya, dimatiin dia.
Okay, next is what is speaking test? The speaking test is a measurement for gather information about a person's ability in speaking skill. Sihabudin 2009, 100 97. And a speaking or oral test is defined as a test in which a person is encouraged to speak and then assess on the basis of that speech. It can be used alone or combined with a test of other skill. Underhill 2009, 197, 1 and 7. The speaking test is not just an oral test, but the performance test too. That means what is assessed is not only the speech, but the process of deed, your action, your expression when generating data. The speaking test can be done with integrative test. That means the speaking tests have a component that are used as a test target. Next.
Aim and the function of speaking test. Ardon.
Ardon turn.
The aim and the function of speaking test. The purpose of the speaking test is to determine how effectively you can communicate in English with other people and how the message is conveyed. The purpose of the speaking test is not only to test the student abilities to function in an English-speaking environment and develop their communication skill, but also to show your student that they have indeed mastered the objective you set for them at the start of the term. The I'm speaking test was explained with Chani. The function of the speaking, the mastery of speaking skill in English is a priority for many second and foreign language learner. Several language is export have attempted to category the function of speaking in human interaction according to Brown and Yule. There are three functions. One, talk as interaction. Our daily communication remain interactional with other people. This refer to what we said as conversation. It is an interactive communication which don't spontaneous be two or more person. Number two is talk as transaction. In talk as transaction is more focused on message that convey it and making other person understand what we want convey be early and accurately. In this type of spoken language, student and teacher usually focus on meaning of or talking what their way to understanding. 3, talk as performance. In this case, speaking activities is more focused on monologue better than dialogue. Function of speaking as performance happened at speech, public talk, public announcement, real-tell story, telling story, and so. So, the function of the speaking test is to access your ability to communicate using English orally. Next.
And next, I'll talk about how to make a test. First things first, you need knowledge. Yeah, as a researcher or as a conductor test, you have to need knowledge further than your examinee. Because what? Because the conductor can. This is the main thing. If you want to conduct the test, you have to need knowledge further than the examinee. That's the absolute maybe. And the second, you need to design the test as a whole. Yeah, there are a lot of design for the test, like interviewing or repetition for what teacher said about the material, or like storytelling, and etc. There's another test, yeah, design. There are a lot of design. And the third, you need a human approach. yes, as we know about speaking is convey how to interact with people. It needs a human approach, and then you need to find a suitable balance. Suitable balance, it means balance with the facilities, balance with the time, and so on and so on. And the five and the fifth, you need to adapt and improve. As we know about the speaking, it means to improve, and improve. When as we know, humans are day by day. It's used to improve. Same as speaking. I think that's all. Type of speaking tests will be delivered. Ica. Hello? Nisa? What? Nisa? Oh man.
I think she has a problem with her connection.
Problem mungkin.
Okay, roughly you may skip her topic here and then continue with next slide. Next will be Diaz, right? Okay, come on.
Okay, the last one is conducting effective speaking tests. The first is lower teacher participation. The first thing the teacher have to consider is when designing, what is it?
Effective speaking.
Designing speaking tests in that you will have to speak less. Now, in this part, the student must do all of the speaking and the teacher should simply listen. This method can improve the student's ability and push the students to develop their speaking skill. And the second one is create a list of objectives. One of the things I always recommended is that you constantly remind your students to objective they've met. This means are not things like learning about simple past, but more practically, context-based goals like learning to talk about what you did in the recent past. For example, talk about experience. And when designing a test, think back to all the practical situation and everyday scenarios your students learn to navigate throughout the term. For example, at the first meeting, talk about your students' favorite, and the second one, and then the second meeting is talk about speaking English in on telephone. Okay, the next is include different types of speaking tests. Once you have defined the topics you want to test them on, define the types of speaking tests that they will need to complete. The first speaking test should be an activity where each student has to talk about something and give your students duration to talk about something. For example, when we were at the first semester, Ms. Zaitun asked her students to free talk in front of the class, and she only gave 3 minutes to talk about. The fourth, designing an evaluation rubric. You have to decide it exactly what you will evaluate. How about objective, accuracy, grammar, or vocabulary? And For example, the teacher gives 10 to 9 points to the students who communicate clearly, effectively, and make practically no mistake. Give 8 to 7 points to those who make few mistakes, or etc. And the last one is give feedback. You will give your students on how they perform. Like, for example, tell them about what they did great, and then tell them about what they need to improve, like what Ms. Zaitun always did to us. Okay, that's all for me. The next one is Khairunisa.
Oh, Khairunisa.
Yep.
Type of speaking test. Is there Khairunisa? Oh, still not entering ya, Khairunisa.
Okay, maybe one of your member can elaborate this type of speaking test, please, because it seems like she's not joining. And then I already kicked Lela for not turning on her camera. Yeah, and then I'm gonna kick more those not using their camera on. Yeah, I'm not gonna let Lela in again. Yeah. Okay, Harunisa is trying to join. Okay, let me see who's not using their camera again. I'm gonna kick them out. Yeah. Okay, you may try to say hi to. Okay, Icha, Harunisa.
Harunisa, you in?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh.
Okay, for the next is type of speaking test. The first is reading loud. One way the reading is test is by having the test read aloud. This is not generally a good way to test reading. The worst effect is likely to be harmful, and it is not a skill that is used much outside of the classroom. However, it is a way to test pronunciation partly from the content of speech. If it is necessary to use the method of testing, the test should at last make use of a situation where the student might actually be reading aloud, such
Oh. What happened to you?
Icha, what happened with you, Icha?
Use your mobile data, Icha. Wow.
Hello?
Okay, come on.
Okay. The next is conversational exchange. Another simple type of test is a test in which students are given a particular situation and instructed to respond in a way. These tests are usually highly structured and require only a limited response, not connected discourse. This may also be done as part of a longer dialogue, where there are pauses for the test response to question on a tab. The problem with this sort of test is that the dialogue on the tab keeps going along, no matter.
Again and again.
There she goes again.
Okay.
What's going on?
Sorry, sir.
What?
Oh my God.
Lina. Nisa. What the hell?
Udah nih.
Okay, maybe one of the member can give us an alternative kind of elaboration, please. Yeah, so
Okay, sir, I'm back.
okay, come on.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, come on.
Ya, Bu.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir. So, however, this type of does it of people at the same time in a way that is at last somewhat communicative. And the next is testing speaking using visual, picture, maps, diagram, and other type of visual material can be used to test speaking without requiring the test to come written or spoken material through careful selection of the material. The tester can control the vocabulary and to some extent the grammatical structure required. Various types of material are appropriate for this type of test depending on the language that the tester wants to elicit. There is two types of stimulus material. The first is common types of stimulus material. Material is a series of pictures which tell a story, often with a few sentences of introduction to get the test start. This requires the test to put together coherent narrative. The student describe their picture and decide on their sequence without showing them to each other and then put down in the order that they have decided on. And the second is type of test using a visual stimulus is one in which two tests are given picture that are similar but have several differences without seeing each other picture. They describe their own picture and the difference. In addition to using picture, it is possible to use cards, GARP, or other ways of visually organizing information, and the test has to describe them. And the next is oral interview. Are testing situation in which the tester and the test carry on a conversation. The test generally has a list of questions to ask the test, and someone, either the interview or another person, but probably another person, assess the language proficiency of the test. Like the examiner greets you and the instructor himself or herself to you. The examiner check your ID and ask you some question about topic that are familiar to you. And the last is storytelling. The results show the storytelling technique is applicable to increase the student speaking ability, especially in terms of fluency, grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and comprehensibility. The examiner asks you some question to involve you in a discussion. The examiner gives you a card with a topic written on it and some problems to help you with your answer. You are also given a pencil and a piece of paper to make notes if you wish. You have 1 minute to think about the topic and prepare your answer. Then you must speak about the topic for 2 minutes. The examiner may stop you if you speak longer than this. After you finish talking, the examiner may ask you 2 follow-up questions. The language required in the discussion is generally more abstract than in the other sections. Enough?
No. So we jump. Conclusion.
Wait, is there any Q&A session?
Okay, in session. Okay, we are opening Q&A session.
No, wait a second. Before you're going to have the Q&A session or section, yeah, now I'll try to discuss more about your guys' elaboration, starting from the first slide. Yeah, let's go back from the first slide, please. Roughly, who's the one that in charge for this PowerPoint? Come on.
Who's in charge? Oh.
Yeah. Okay, go back, please. Starting from the beginning. Okay.
Beginning.
Yep. Okay. So first slide here, you come with your guys' elaboration about the definition of speaking, yeah? And then one thing that really bothered me for this slide here, can you guess what is it, roughly, and the gang for the first group here? I can see over there, it is tarigan. It's 2008, page 16. Why did you guys putting the definition of tarigan, Henry Gunter Tarigan, yeah, in giving the definition about speaking, yeah? It will be much better if you guys using Richard, using Brown, yeah, using Creswell, yeah. Tarigan is an expert that we got from Indonesia, yeah. And then our focus discussion here is about speaking, that dealing with native speaker, dealing with the foreign language, yeah. So for this one, it will be better, one more time, if you guys put Creswell, Richard, or John, yeah, from the native speaker. And for your information, if you're going to conduct your thesis, your research proposal for thesis, every single time your friend using reference from Indonesia, yeah, I'm not gonna say yes for every single kind of research proposal. So it is a no for me, yeah, using an expert from Indonesia, especially because we are talking about foreign language, yeah. So do not use tarigan, yeah. And then from this slide, who's the one that giving explanation roughly? Who's in charge for this one? This slide?
Chanifa.
Okay, Chanifa. Can you hear me clearly, Chanifa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here we have two kind of definition. I want you to come with your original opinion about speaking, please. What is it, speaking?
Speaking is apa ya? Bentar, Mister.
Okay, come on.
Speaking is interactions about speakers and to audience. It's like interaction, communication. Apa sih? Tadi dulu, Mister. Speaking is interaction with speaker and audience. And in the speaking, they have an idea, opinions, and the feeling. Kayak gitu, Mister.
Okay,
Like
thank
that.
you very much. Thank you very much, Hanifa. So speaking, you can make or you can create your original kind of definition. You can simply call speaking here is a process of delivering information through an oral device. Yeah, that's what I mean. Each of you guys, you can make your own typical kind of definition about speaking. And then, Chanifa, you have two clues here. Yeah, the first clues you got it from Tarigan. Is second one, and then you have also a clue here. Yeah, so try to make your own kind of definition while talking about speaking itself. Okay, Chanifa?
Okay.
Is that clear enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Next slide, please, Ravli.
Okay, the aim of speaking.
Okay, this
Still
one,
Chanifa.
who's in charge? It is still Chanifa?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Now, I want you to please try to mention another aim of speaking. Come on. Another aim of speaking.
Another?
Yeah. So do not use this kind of explanation that you took from Tarigan.
Speaking.
Okay.
It's M tujuan gitu. For information.
For information, what is it? For information only?
Not information, and for persuade, mengajak, persuade. Yeah, persuade, and discuss.
Okay, thank you.
For me.
Okay, so we have a tons. So yeah, we have a tons kind of aim in delivering speaking, or why that we conducted speaking. Yeah, the most common one, we do speaking here to share our idea, to exchange information. Yeah, that's the aim of speaking. Next one, please. Next slide, Rafi.
For the speaking test.
And then this one, who's in charge here?
Hanifa Anis.
Okay, Anis, thank you. This is interesting. The first, you took the reference from Sihabuddin. Yeah, I'm not sure here. Sihabuddin came from Australia or from UK or from US. Yeah, Sihabuddin here maybe he is from Mojokerto. Yeah, maybe he's from Surabaya. Yeah, and then you are using him to explain about speaking tests. Yeah. So let me remind you one more time. When you try to take the reference or the resources, it will be better to use the foreigner kind of reference or expert. Okay, Anis. And then second one, here it is Underhill, 1997, page 1 till 7. Now, here, I want you to try to give us your brief kind of comprehension about speaking text in a simple kind of language, in a simple kind of sentence about speaking text. Come on.
My opinion about the speaking test.
Yep, what is it?
Oh, the speaking test is to measure our how far we can do this speak, we can know the language, how far we can talk to other people.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Anis. So one more time, my suggestion, you have to take out Sihabuddin. Yeah, do not use it.
Yes,
okay, next slide, please.
The aim and the function of speaking test.
Okay, the aim and the function of speaking test. This one belong to?
Ardon, maybe.
It is Ardon. Okay, Ardon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
yes.
I want you to come with an elaboration about aim and function of speaking text. Do not read it, yeah, do not take it from this slide, please. What are the aim and then the function of speaking text? Come on.
The aim and the function of speaking tests.
Yep.
The mastery of speaking skill in English is a priority for many second and foreign language learners. Several language experts have attempted to categorize the function of speaking in human interaction. According to Brown and Yole, there are three functions. One, talk as interaction. Two is talk of transaction, and three is talk as performance. Enough.
Do you understand my instruction, Aldon? I want something that come from your
Hubungan
thinking process, not from reading it. Come on. Aim and function of speaking task. Come with your brain kind of answer, please. Aim and function of speaking task. Come on.
Jadi intinya, so the function of the speaking test is to access your ability to communicate using English early. Enough, sir.
Okay. One more time, guys. The aim and then function of speaking task. You can see from the target of your speaking learning material. Yeah, so it has to match with what kind of the topic, what kind of the learning material that you deliver to the students. Yeah, you have to make it relevant with the aim and then function of speaking task. For the example here, yeah, the aim of speaking task that you guys try to create it here, so the student can describe, yeah, can describe about a person behavior, yeah, about a person kind of hobbies, yeah. So the function here will be to find out the comprehension about the student while giving the description about the hobby. Yeah, it should be relevant. Okay, Ardon?
Can I add something, sir?
Okay, wait a second. After I elaborate all the slide, it will be your turn, guys. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, next, please. Next. Next slide, please, roughly. Okay, this one, who's the one that in charge for this? Okay.
Oh, mine, sir.
Which one? Okay, this one. How to make a test, yeah? First here, of course, you need a knowledge, yeah? And then you need to design the test as a whole, and then you need a human approach, you need to find a suitable balance, and then you need to adapt and improve. But how to make a test here, it is not specific to how that you are going to make a speaking test. Do you see the point, roughly? Yeah. So
just a preparation.
Yeah. So conducting a speaking test, starting with what is it, the topic? What is it, the theme that you are going to test for your student? Yeah. And then after you decided what is the topic, what is the theme that you are going to test for your student for the speaking test, and the next one, you're going to choose what kind of form, yeah, what kind of test type that you're going to use. Yeah, and then you have to decide it is an interview kind of test, or it is a random quick question, yeah, for the student. Yeah, it will be up to you guys to choose what type of the test that match. One more time, it has to match with the topic or with the theme that you guys want to measure from your students. Okay, and then what's next after that one, roughly? Can you proceed for the next? No, I mean, I already gave you two examples, right? Choosing the topic, deciding the type of the task, and the next one, what is it? In making a speaking task.
Assess, maybe?
Here we are talking about making a test, making a speaking test only. So assessing is another kind of part, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. When we make or when we create a speaking task, first we're choosing the topic. Second one, deciding what type of the task that we're going to deliver. And then what's next?
Conduct it.
Okay, conduct the test or create the test. Yeah. And then what else?
Assess.
Assess. One more time. Assessing is another part. Yeah.
Oh, another part.
Yeah.
Evaluate.
Evaluate also it is another part. So the third one, before you're going to create or to make the task, you need to make a clear instruction first.
Oh yeah, instruction.
Yeah, a clear instruction first. How they are going to do the speaking task. It has to be clear. Yeah, and then after that one, delivering the task to the student. Yeah. Is that clear now, properly?
Clear.
Yeah, so it is not this one, you need knowledge. Yeah, of course, all of us need knowledge, yeah. And then
just tips before you doing test.
Okay, thank you. Next slide, please, Roughly.
Type of speaking tests.
Okay, type of speaking test, yeah. And then it's look like you guys make this slide not in a whole kind of process based on discussion, because the previous it is a test and then now suddenly it is type of speaking test. Yeah, it's not connected, I guess. Yeah, and then for type of speaking test, who's the one that in charge for this slide here, roughly?
Hoirunisa.
Hoirunisa. Speaking test type. The first here is reading aloud, conversational exchange, and then testing speaking using visual material, oral interviews, and then storytelling. Yeah. From all of the type here, can you make one similar thing about all type here? Icha, please.
Okay.
What is it?
The first is reading loud.
Okay, you don't have to reread it, yeah. But from all the type of speaking tests here, what is it? One common thing that you can find from all the type here.
From the conversation, which is intended to shape a person ability to function language according to its place and existence.
Really?
Lu belum beli.
Come on. Roughly, can you help her? I mean, come with your perspective from all the speaking test type here. We got 5, and then one common word related to all type here. What is it?
Reading aloud, conversation exchange. This is not my church, but I will explain it practically. Yeah. Reading aloud. When the reading aloud, examiner will look or will see how capable examinee is about reading. Does examinee say it clearly about grammar, pronunciation, fluence of reading? I mean, the foreign language. I think that's all for me from reading aloud that we get. Yeah, and the second, conversational exchanges. This is how conductor sees about the examinee, about the quality of conversation. Can one person and two person, let's say A and B, this A and B examinee can respond, can share the information, and then quickly responds. That's the measure, that the point of measure from conversational exchanges. And the third, testing speaking using visual material. Now, as I experience testing speaking using visual material is like when conductor explain about or not explain, show about something like a visual material, and then conductor order to examinee explain what displayed on this picture or everything what conductor said. And then examinee say blah, 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 blah. And then conductor assess, oh, I think that's all. The practically and oral interview, like interview, talking each other with conductor, like talking. And then storytelling. Storytelling, I pass. Still don't get it.
Okay, thank you. So my point here, what I asked you to do, from all the 5 types of speaking tests, what are the common thing? The same, yeah? So the simple answer from all the speaking tests here, simply about delivering information. Yeah?
Information. Yeah.
So from all of speaking test type here, simply it is about delivering information. That's what I mean. Okay, Nisa, Icha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that clear enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Next slide, please, Ralphie.
Okay.
Okay, this one, conducting effective speaking task. And then who's the one that in charge for this slide?
It's me, sir. Diaz.
Okay, Diaz. Participation, create types, evaluate, and feedback. Okay, where that you got this point? That will be my first question for you, Diaz.
What I got for this point?
Yep.
I got how to conduct effective speaking test.
Yeah, it is a complete kind of conducting effective speaking task, but one that you have to consider because it is a full kind of explanation. Maybe you can put your reference where that you got this, yeah, because it is starting with participation till the last one feedback. Yeah? It is a complete kind of conducting effective speaking task, yeah. Okay, Riaz?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, next, please, this one. Roughly?
Okay.
Next.
That's all, sir.
That's all.
Okay, let's see your guys' conclusion. This is what I mean. Yeah, speaking test. Okay, about personality, the speaking. Okay, and then now I want each of you try to make one sentence as the conclusion, and then not this type of conclusion. One sentence only to conclude your guys' topic for today. Who is the first? Roughly, who is the first for your group that giving explanation?
Chanipa.
Okay, Chanipa, please, a conclusion, make it short, clear, and simple. The conclusion, come on. Chanipa?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, come on. Do not read it, just come with your conclusion. Come on.
Aduh, takut salah.
That's okay. Come on.
Speaking is important to us. If speaking is important to us.
Okay, Chanipa, that's okay. That's enough, yeah. So, Chanipa, Mala's conclusion here, speaking is important. Thank you, Chanipa. Next one, please. Next, who's the one after Chanipa?
Anis.
Anis, come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The speaking test, we have to consider about the topic that we want to talk about the content.
Okay, from Hanifah Anis, topic and content. Thank you very much. Next, after Anis, please.
Ardon.
Ardon. Okay, come on, Ardon. Ardon.
From me, the speaking test is Excelsior. Yes, sir.
Okay, come on. Your conclusion, please.
From me, the speaking test. From me, the speaking test is assess your ability to communicate using English orally. Enough.
Okay, communication and then oral kind of instrument. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Next, after
Yes.
Ardon, please.
Sure.
Me.
Okay, come on.
One sentence ya.
Yeah.
Speaking test is a measure how people can share the information and in exchange that's all.
Okay, thank you.
By
Next,
using-
please.
Me, sir.
Okay, come on. Icha.
The speaking test is an oral interview between you and the examiner. Consists of an interview between the test taker and a trained and certified examiner.
Okay. Next, please, after Icha.
Mister.
Okay, come on.
Me. For me, the speaking test is not only about to develop the students' ability in speaking English, but to communicate and to master about the information that we need to communicate. That's all.
That's all, yes. Okay. So the simple conclusion for speaking test here, yeah, speaking test is a tool in measuring speaking. That will be enough, yeah. We are talking about tests, yeah, and then we're talking about measurement process in learning evaluation, yeah. In learning evaluation, when you guys learn a language, yeah. That's it, yeah. The third kind of conclusion for our today's topic. And then after this one, it's look like some of your friends here cannot wait to give you guys the question, yeah, I guess. And then we have some kind of additional maybe from Hafiz and then from some of your friends, yeah. And I guess that's all, guys, for today's meeting, yeah, for the speaking test. And then after this one, I'm gonna give you a chance to give a question, yeah, Q&A one more time. It will be 2 sessions. First session, it will be 4 minimum, yeah, and then second section, it will be also 4 minimum. In total, consists of 8 questions. Okay? Yeah, that's all from me. Yeah, and then last, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Okay. And then
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
roughly time is yours. I'll keep become camera officer here. Yeah. If those not using the camera on, I'm gonna kick them out. Yeah. Come on, roughly, you may take this meeting, please.
Okay. For the first question, the first term, I'll give 3 questions. For the first.
That was 4. Okay.
Bella dong.
Yeah,
Start.
Bella, Firda.